Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the rear park sensing. We do get a tow hitch, backup camera with a nice bed liner, and tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicator with blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. We got a nice hood deflector, two recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have the nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders, 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got your parking brake, lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 59.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have my main menu, my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage. You got outlets here. We've got a little storage cubby underneath, cup holders, your leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You have your rear locking diff, drive modes, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt, and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here. And looking right here, we do got a powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We got our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and your BlueCruise, which is Ford self-driving. Looking here, we have our audio, which does have our AM, FM, but you do get Sirius XM and Bluetooth. You got your phone capabilities, your navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE24914, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.